So, good afternoon, everyone. So, the topic for today is the comparison of non-profit and for-profit organization. I selected Coca-Cola, as you can see right here. Here, that's the logo, and basically they're the for-profit organization. And for the non-profit organization, I selected the Adventist University of the Philippines. And basically, these are the two organizations that will be assessed. Again, I am John Peñal and Montales, and this is my coursework. And basically, we were asked here that to introduce what are those organizations. So, Adventist University of the Philippines is a nonprofit that is established during after the World War II here in the Philippines in Puting Kahoy, Silang Cavite. And the Adventist University is a private institution and a Christian institution and has level 4 accreditation from CHED. The Coca-Cola Corporation, on the other hand, was established way on the late 1800s and was actually a conglomerate company. And we were asked here to differentiate the two. So, right here, the purpose of AUP is to provide Bible-based education, while Coca-Cola is the one that makes our drinks. So, yun yung kanilang purpose. Tapos, source of funds, of course, may donations, subsidies, grants, tithes, investments, and sales naman pagdating sa Coca-Cola. Tax status, exempt usually kapag ka non-profit, pero kapag ka for-profit, hindi usually exempt. Tapos pag organizational structure po nila, may board of directors sila, which is the conference, yun yung tawag nila dyan. Tapos po yung organizational structure for Coca-Cola, hybrid yung kanilang organizational structure. Tapos yung beneficiaries nila, students and teachers, syempre university nga. Tapos yung sa ano ang tawag dito sa Coca-Cola, beverage drinking, mga customers na gusto ng matatamis. Ayun. Ang community impact, syempre, nakakapag-provide ng education sa AUP, samantalang nakakapag-provide naman ng pagkain si Coca-Cola. Tapos, ano yung differences nilang dalawa? Ano po, parang yung difference po nung dalawa is that for capitalistic reasons si for profit, samantalang socialistic naman pagdating kay non-profit. Tapos yung bakit important raw sa society yan, kasi yan yung nagki-carry ng public interest, like for culture, for environment. So, ano yung lessons na nag-gain ko sa activity na to? Syempre, marami. Una, kailangan mo ng formalities para magkaroon ka ng credibility. So, minsan may mga gusto tayong outreach programs, pero ano yung gusto nating ma-achieve doon? Para magawa natin yun, kailangan natin ng form, di ba? Yung mga non-profit nga. So, yun nga po yung gagawin, and yun lang, ito po yung aking references. Thank you.